Hello and welcome to Knowing the Standards for Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards BDAS 17, which is events after the balance sheet date. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. Events after the balance sheet date are significant financial events that occur after the date of the balance sheet, but prior to that event that the financial statements are issued. It is divided into two types of events, which is the adjusting events and the non-adjusting events. Let's get into details to the first type of events, which is the adjusting events. It is defined as an entity should adjust the amounts recognized in its financial statement to reflect adjusting events after the balance sheet date, which is the end of reporting date. For example, after a wedding in 2010, 10 people died, possibly as a result of food poisoning from products sold by an entity. Legal proceedings are underway seeking damages from the entity. Up to the date of approval of the financial statements for the year to 31st December 2010, the entity's lawyers advised that it is probable that the entity will be found liable. The legal and settlement expense is $100,000 and the accounting entries are such that the debit will be the legal expense for $100,000 and credit the account payable for the same amount. Do note that the transaction is recognized in its financial statements to reflect adjusting events after the balance sheet date, which is the end of reporting date. The second event is called non-adjusting events, which are those events that are indicative of conditions that arose after the balance sheet date. An entity should not adjust the amounts recognized in its financial statements to reflect non-adjusting events after the balance sheet date. For example, a decline in fair value of investments between the balance sheet date and the date when the financial statements are authorized for issue. It is not the date when shareholders approved the financial statement, such as date of board authorized for issue or date of management authorized for issue to the supervisory board. The fall in market value does not normally relate to the condition of the investments at the balance sheet date, but reflects circumstances that arise in the following period. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 17, Events after the balance sheet date.